Hello again, Pietro here. FedEx guy just came by. I really like it when they come by. Anyway, they dropped off another watch. Let's open this box because, well, I don't primarily specialize in unboxings, but I do have a dilemma that I do like opening things. It's just fun. It's like Christmas in Techtober, Techcember. Yeah, let's see what's inside. Oh, is that a battery warning? No, no battery warning. All right, got my old guy's rule patch. We're gonna let that ride right there, and here goes nothing. Come on, there we go. Ooh, that's a nice box. It's a fossil, genuine fossil. Issue number 54, authentic quality, high def sound, designed with pride. There's a bear and oh yeah, brown paper? Who doesn't like brown paper? Okay, toss that aside. What's that? Don't forget the details by Fossil. Very nice. So that's my receipt with a prepaid return label. Love the box. I think I might just like mount this on my wall. That's pretty cool. Okay, toss that aside. Genuine Gen 6, iPhone and Android. Ha ha ha. So we have a whole bunch of really small font. Gen 6, WearOS by Google. Now, even though it says Apple, I'm tempted to try that. I mean, I don't know. The last time I tried WearOS with Apple, yeah, stuff is sticky. It was a bad experience. So we have that little sticker right there. Can I just cut that? I like to preserve the packaging as much as I can because I never know which ones I'm going to keep, which ones I'm going to sell. Let me in. Okay, those came off quite easily. I guess I didn't need to cut it. Oh, that was... Whoa. Okay, packaging's not too bad. At least ooh, the watch is freezing cold because it was in the FedEx truck. Let's see how cold it is. Oh yeah, 63. Okay, right out of the bat, love the band. Very much so. So I guess that's what the watch is going to look like. Let's power it on. I'm guessing top right. What do you think? Nope. Okay, let's try this one. That's this watch by Casio. I cannot figure out how to turn off the alarm. Okay, maybe it's dead. Maybe it's this one. Bummer. Okay. Let's try the charger. Nice cable. It's not braided. I'll let that slide. USB-A. Meh. I'm either here nor there. Luckily, I do have a bunch of chargers. Hang on. Yeah, I've been using iPhone since 2009, I believe. So I have a bunch of these laying around. So now we'll just plug this in. Click. Plug this in. Click. Let's power this on. I want to go cycling. So there's a little protector on the back here. Take that off. Very nice. So let's look at the watch just for a second. Fossil band. A little quick release. Ooh, I like that. It's a nice big button. What does that say? US patent bracelet. 22 millimeter, which means hopefully I can get some 22 millimeter bands that will fit this. It looks like they just kind of wrap around. So not the standard band. This one is probably not gonna work. I don't know, I'll have to try. But if I have to buy a fossil band, so be it. I'll also check Barton. And then on the back, we have heart sensor, has the model. If I can get it to move the band, it's kind of awkward. Model number DW1352. And then there's the serial number and so far and so forth. All right. Well, what do y'all think so far? Let's charge it. A little magnet thing, and that should power it up. Ooh, that's pretty. I do like that. I do like a color screen. Now, nothing against Casio. There's nothing wrong with chromatic, black and white. Battery life is really good on this one, by the way. Ooh, nice splash screen. WearOS. Now, there might be one downside already. I don't know if this is running WearOS 3. I saw that they were launching a new one, and I liked the design, so I quickly just ordered it. Tap to begin. Should we do English? What do you think? Italian? Deutsch? Let's do English. I agree to the terms. Okay. On your phone, download WearOS by Google. Yeah, I did that already, but I'm filming on the device, so. Fossil Gen 6, need help. Oh, you know what? It looks like I'm gonna have to download that. It's not gonna let me do anything else. All right, we're gonna have to switch phones. I'm just gonna let this charge. I'm gonna go cycling. And I really wanted to go cycling with this device, but I don't know that I wanna wear a metal one. Okay, there's the charging thing. All right. Charge, power on. Normal stuff. I'm not going to read that. That's about it. Okay, so I'll let this charge while I go cycling. And, ooh, I do like the little crown. Reminds me of the Apple Watch. Fossil Gen 6, 1912. All right. BRB. Be right back.